Let's learn how to create a cinematic flash transition in Premiere Pro. Start by placing your two clips side by side on the timeline. Then, go to the project panel, create an adjustment layer, accept the default settings, and drag it above both clips. Right-click the adjustment layer, select speed/duration, and set it to 8 frames. Now, zoom into the timeline and center the adjustment layer between the two clips. Next, search for levels in the Effects panel and apply it to the adjustment layer. In Effect Controls, locate RGB white input level and click the stopwatch at the start of the adjustment layer. Move the playhead to the center of the transition and set the value to 0. Finally, move to the end of the adjustment layer and change the white input level to 255 for a smooth flash-out effect. Your cinematic flash transition is ready. Let me know what effect you'd like to learn next.